Hi everyone, my name is Caroline Bramer and I am the president of Big Brothers Big Sisters on campus. We are a mentoring organization that works one-on-one with students in local elementary schools. This semester will look a little bit different as we will not be mentoring. However, we will be working on campus on projects to support the organization. If you're interested in either mentoring in the future or working on those on-campus projects with us, please sign up. And now I'll pass it off to the Big Brothers Big Sisters Executive Board to talk about what we are planning for this semester.
Hi, my name is Hannah. I'm the Education Outreach Coordinator for Big Brothers Big Sisters. And though this semester will definitely be different, we're still planning on having events for mentors and for our mentees, things like making teddy bears for them around different holidays, and we're also looking at other opportunities that we can use in order to further support Big Brothers Big Sisters as an organization.
Hi, my name is Taylor Adams and I am the fundraising chair for the Big Brothers Big Sisters committee, and we're doing a lot of stuff this semester for fundraising and for the next semester, so please sign up for the email list. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Jenica Vertz and I am the PR chair for Big Brothers Big Sisters. We would love to have more people getting involved this semester. Our Instagram is BBBS We'll be posting about events on there. Feel free to DM us for any questions that you have or email brimmer_c1@denison.edu.